Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dom. I want to thank you for tuning in and watch this quick tip about the SQ series. Let's jump on the tip of the day.
So in this video, we're gonna talk how we find the gate. So first things, we select the channel as we always do, and in here you can see under the HPF we have got this small square in here, and this is our gate. As for the compression, we can just press in near the gate, and what we're gonna do, we can check all the parameters we need to deactivate the gate. The same thing, press in here on the desk and you can deactivate. So let's jump again on the mix pad and let's see more in depth how this works. As you can see, this is the gate page. Okay, as we had on the compression, we have got the self kit. There is our sidechain. We have got our filter, three type of filter: HPF, BPF, and LPF. And we can activate and deactivate this from here. Next things that we have is our attack, our hold, our release, the threshold, and the depth. And we have got also our histogram as we had on our compression. And as you know, this is the previous 12 seconds of the gate activity. So if I activate the gate now and I start to gate this, you will start to see the histogram work. If I change the depth, you can see how this is working, nice and easy. The threshold you can change from here or you can select from here. The relays is the same things. So hold, relays, and threshold. That's how you find the gate. And as I said, you can activate this one, choose your frequency. The best way would be go on the desk and choose the frequency that you want to use. Use the threshold here to just work around. You have got the three filter that you can use. That's how you find the gate and what you can do with the gate.
Thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe if you find the video useful. Just remember that these are all tips basic for a new user of SQ series. If you want to see more stuff in depth, I've got quite a lot of stuff on my channel and I'm recording every day new stuff. So if you are interested, just subscribe to the channel so you will be updated with all my new videos. Thank you.